Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa Jo. If you are new here and have not seen this beautiful face before, where have you been? But thank God you're here now. So today, in today's video, I will be guiding you through how I make my onion juice and a little bit about the application process, but I won't film it. I'll just explain it. And yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned, enjoy. I've been using this for like slightly over a year now, and my hair, the volume, my friends. Woo! Let's get into this video. You've watched the intro, you've read the title, you've probably even opened up the description box. So by now you know what this video is about. So let's get into it. My name is Melissa Jo. If you are new here, if you are not, karibu tena sana. Step one is of course chopping up the onion. I mean, you didn't expect me to boil it whole, did you? Well, you didn't expect me to boil it either. There are several ways you can make onion juice. I use the boiling method where you chop up the onions as you will see me do, and then once the onions are chopped, I boil them in a sufuria. You could also opt to blend the onions in a blender, but that would require you to strain them afterwards, and Melissa ain't got time for that. So this is typically the way I chop onions at all times, but if you are not used to this method, I would let you know that the aim is to get the pieces of onions as small as possible. The smaller your pieces of onions are, the better. So keep that in mind. Right after you chop, you want to transfer your onion into a sufuria, and then, well, do not fill up the sufuria, but let it cover the onions with cold water. The reason why I use cold and not already boiled water is because I want the water to boil with the onions in them. Then you transfer them onto your gas or whatever means you use to boil water and let it boil. Once that process is done, then you will sieve the onions so that you get the water, which you will then use on your hair, and the onion pieces will remain. You can dispose of them because you basically boiled the nutrients, but you could use them if you want the roughage from them. Now you just let it sit and cool until it reaches your desired temperature. If you are high porosity, then it is okay to use it cold, but if your hair is low porosity, then make sure you use it while it's still warm. I'm just showing you how much I have here right now, but let's head to the review. Okay guys, I have put the onion juice into my hair. Couldn't really film that because the lighting in my bathroom is not the best, but I'll explain the process to you. I poured it, the whole container, onto my head. I don't leave any like for another time, because the next time I'll do this is like a week later or so, or like 1.5 weeks later or 2 weeks later max. So leaving any residue would just be a waste because it would end up getting spoiled. Then I'd have to throw it away. So I put the whole container in my hair, and I have a plastic cup underneath that is meant to just trap heat in there. And then over the plastic cup I have this t-shirt, also to aid in trapping the heat, but mainly to catch any juice that drips down, because it's not a hair mask, so it's not like it's gonna sit still in my hair. It is a liquid, so it's going to want to pour. So all around, this is just gonna catch any drip. So yeah, when I poured it in, I massaged it into my scalp kidogo, pressed it into my hair kidogo, but I'm just gonna sit now for about an hour It took about 40 minutes to cool down to a temperature that I could work with. I work with warm liquids in my hair because low porosity, and yeah, so I'm just gonna sit for about an hour, and after an hour I wash it out with my shampoo, and that is wash day complete. Afterwards I simply just go in with shea butter for moisture, and that's pretty much it. If I am styling, like if I want a twist out or a braid out the next day or in a few days, then I twist my hair or I'll braid my hair. If I want my hair stretched, then I will also put it in big braids, matutas, aka that's what we call them here in Kenya, matutas. And yeah, I'll unravel the matutas the next day, and my hair will be nice and stretched. Of course, not as stretched as if I was to use a blow dryer, but stretched either way, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my onion juice recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.